Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Magic. Today we're gonna explore about more things like, do you know why we wear wedding ring in fourth finger? Yes, in 18th century France flag was in plain white, and do you know why? Originally Olympic winners didn't got medals, so instead what they got. So come on, let's go and explore all these. Please don't skip this video. Watch till the end and enjoy this video. Before going, please like this video. Okay, come on, let's go. Guys, do you know Japan's Yamato dynasty traces its origin back to 660, makes it the oldest continuously hereditary monarchy in the world. The 79 years old Emperor Akihito has resigned since in 1989 and is the last president in his line. According to the legend, he is the 125th emperor in his line, though there is some debate as to exact count of emperors. His seat is called as Chrysanthemum Throne and sits in the Imperial Palace, that is in Kyoto. If you go to this city, don't forget to visit this palace. Guys, I bet you will be definitely sing the happy birthday to you for your friends or a family member's birthday, also known as happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
This song is traditionally sung to celebrate the anniversary of a person's birth. Yes, according to the 1998 Guinness World Record, it is the most recognized song in the English language, followed by For He's a Jolly Good Fellow. The song-based lyrics have been translated into at least 18 languages. The melody of Happy Birthday to You comes from the song of Good Morning to All, which has traditionally been attributed to American sisters Patty and Mildred J. in 1893. Although the claim that sister composed the tune is disputed. And that's what song you are singing to your friend to celebrate the birthday. Guys, comment below, do you know these facts about a simple song? The Golden Gate uses the largest bridge cables ever made. It's long enough to encircle the world more than 3 times at the quarter. Yes, the bridge designers carefully calculated the graceful dip of the suspension cables between the two towers to carry the needed weight. The cables had been flexible enough to bend up to 27 feet laterally in the gate's formidable winds and strong enough to support the structure of the bridge. The planned two cables will be so long and so strong that they would be need to fabricated in Paris. The cable spinning began in October 1935. To create the cables, Roebling developed a method called parallel wire construction. The innovative technique enabled the cable for any length and thickness to be formed by blending together thin wires into promise to give engineers the freedom to build a bridge to infinite legend. Hundreds of wires, each roughly to the diameter of pencil, were bound together into strands. Hydraulic jacks then bundled and compressed 61 strands to make a cable. Each of the two main cables is just over the 3 feet in diameter, 7,659 feet long, and contains 27,522 parallel wires. People have more different blood groups around the world, and one of the rarest blood types in the world is renal, sometimes referred as a golden blood. People with this blood type have a completely absence of any other RH antigens. It was first discovered in an Aboriginal Australian, and it's extremely rare, with fewer than 50 individuals known to have a golden blood in the last 50 years of its discovery. Its rarity means that donations of golden blood are incredibly rare and difficult to obtain when a golden blood individual needs a blood transfusion, relying on the cooperation of a small network of regular golden blood donors around the world to ensure this blood type is always available when needed. Guys, you will really get shocked after hearing this fact. The first Olympic gold medal was given in 1912. One sec, but what were they given for Olympic winners in before? Guys, actually gold, silver and bronze medals have not been awarded for the original Greek games. Instead, olive oils taken from a tree near the temple of Zeus was placed on the victor's head. That's all. After when the first Olympics were held in Athens in 1896, the first place winners were awarded in silver medals, since silver was more sought after at that time. The runner-up got bronze medal. The winners at the 19th Paris Olympics received trophies or cups instead of medals. Guys, you can ask me who started the custom of awarding gold. Of course, silver and bronze medals started at the 1904 from Louis Olympics. The last Olympic gold medal that was from solid gold was awarded in 1912 in Stockholm. After that year, the gold medals have been graded silver rather than the solid gold. Guys, comment below if you know facts about these rattlesnakes. The rate of humans getting bitten by rattlesnakes peaks in August and September, according to the Arizona Poison and Drug Information Center. The rate of rattlesnakes bite shoots up this and next month as the population expands and adult snakes become more active before going into hibernation. Baby rattlesnakes are usually born in July and August, although smaller than an adult. They are just as venomous. Information Center said this center typical about 15 rattlesnakes bites each month. That rate doubles in August and September. You will be noticed that a wedding ring is always worn by people on the fourth finger of the left hand. Maybe you will be wearing the age-old tradition of putting the wedding ring on a particular finger does have a explanation. It is believed that there is a vein of fourth finger on the left hand that connects straight to your heart and makes your bond with your partner stronger. This helps them to create a bond that is near to their heart, which lasts long and their love becomes stronger. But guys, I didn't believe in this. The love is not dependent on your finger that you are wearing the rings. The love is dependent on your heart. You be true to your friend and partner, that will be good for you and your partners in longer relationship. Guys, you'll be seeing more different types of country flag in the world. Have you seen the plain white flag? Yes, from 1814 to 1830, the flag of France was plain white. The king is back in 1814. The white pocket spread an order that provisional government in April 13 decided that the white ensign and the white pocket would be displayed on the war and merchant vessels. Nothing else was decided. I don't know why they didn't got any other idea. The white ensign became the white flag ashore until the return of Napoleon I in the 1815. These were 100 days when the tricolor flag was flown. After return of the Louis XVIII to Paris, the white flag became legal again in July 7th. In the after of the July Revolution of 1830, Louis King Philippe decided to restore the tricolor flag. Since then, it has remained the national flag of France. That's what you see today also. Okay guys, we are at the end of video. I believe you have enjoyed this video. If you want more from our channel, our previous video link is in description. Go and explore those videos. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a subscribe and share this to your friends and family. Comment your thoughts below. Let's meet at the next video. Until then, bye bye.